forget. Shh. Down. Shh. Shh. Hey. No. Shh. Oh, let's go. Shh. Hey. No. What's this? Good dogs. Okay, let's go get outside.
Let's go. Let's go. You're gonna outrun me. I can't run that fast backwards.
Come on.
Come on, babies.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Here we go. Here we go.
Mommy's outside.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, wait.
4, 5. 1 to go.
Oh, is it Zeusy? No, Zeusy's here.
Come on.
Yay!
Yeah.
Let's go outside, babies.
Come on.
Here they come. Here they come. Come on, guys. Come on. Yay! Yay! Do you guys want a picnic in the shade? Okay. Come here, babies. Oh, it is not lost on Zeus that I have the food. Yay! Okay, let's get some lunch. Oh, hungry babies. Oh. Athena got left behind. Oh, and look, Hera wants to play with Mully instead of eat. How flattering, Mully. Athena, come have your lunch. Come have your lunch. Good babies. Such a nice day for a picnic. What do you think, Sades? Oh, you itching that belly. You itching that belly. Little commando crawl. Oh, she's finally getting her fur back. That coat is going back in. And Mully is using the ultimate self-control, not getting into the baby's food. Look how big they are. So 8 weeks old tomorrow, and 1 goes home today, and the other 5 go to their forever homes tomorrow. There's nothing for you there, Iris. Great Granny definitely doesn't have any milk. Those days are over, right, Mully? What are you doing, Iris? What are you doing? Pretty puppy. Oh, you gonna go find a good place to lay an egg? I think maybe. Nope. Over there. Oh, who's that going to play with Mully? Iris. She must be full. Oh, Iris stopped to check that out. She wants to stay by the food just in case they decide they're full. No, what's that? What's that? What are you doing, Sades? Sadie? She's like, I got a good scent to something over here. Zeus's head seems to take up most of the bowl now. Who's that? Who's that giving me the eye? And here giving me some love is Athena. There she goes. They just about nailed it. They didn't need Mully's help. They may have gotten some in the grass when I first put them down. Yeah, is it all gone, Hera? Oh, puppers. Don't get in the mud, babies. Oh, crash. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, Mully and Sadie are determined to find a little bit of kibble left in the grass. What do you think, Zeusy boy? You're so handsome. See if Mully has any milk for you. I don't think that's gonna happen. There's Iris. And what do we have here? What are you doing? Hi, floppy ears. There's Leda. Floppy ears and waggy tail. Yes. Yes. What are you doing? Did you find a funny leaf? Oh, and you just had a goodbye bath, and now you're getting all yucky. Yes, you are. Come on, Leda. Come on, baby. Leda just got her perfectly white fur dirty. Imagine that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Don't eat that. Yucky. What is that? Come on. Come on. Let's go. What do we have over here? Zeus is still looking for more food. Are you finding anybody? Huh? Are you finding any?
Only about 5 minutes ago, if you want to rewind it. Leanne asked whether the team pups going to be fully healed. It's a long road for them. They're healing now, but they won't be playing sport for another 6 months minimum.
Okay, so only Mully and Sadie are at the picnic area now. And then we got Athena, the explorer. Athena! Say bye-bye! Oh, what? I got a rock.